Mr. Yap from Dewas and Jambrahat. Today, I would like to introduce Nimatic Auto-Coolant Mixer. It's a coolant and reliable solution for the emulsion blending used in the industrial application. This unit is designed to automatically mix the coolant and water to the ratio that you set. No more guesswork, no more manual mixing. This coolant auto mixer ensures a consistent, precise and clean mixing every time. This unit is ideal for CNC machining center and is ideal product for any coolant or mixing fluid facility. It keeps your mixture stable, help to maintain consistent machining performance and surface finish. So now let me to show you how it works. Okay, let's look at this Nimatic Auto-Coolant Mixer. As you can see here, this unit, there's two inlet number 1, inlet number 2, and there's one outlet. For inlet number 1, you have to connect it to the water pipe. Means the fresh water will coming in from here. And inlet number 2, you have to connect it to the coolant that you're going to use, and the coolant will be moving up from here. So all will be mixed inside this coolant mixer. All the mixed coolant will be coming out from the outlet. There is reading over here 1 until 9. So it means that you can set the ratio that you want according to the rumblings here. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this coolant mixer into your drum. First, you have to connect this water pipe at the bottom here. Okay, and then insert it to your metal drum. So how are we going to set the reading in this coolant mixer? You have to use a try and error method with the reflectometers. For example, if the setting here is 2 and you find out the pre-mixed coolant, the ratio is according to what you want, you will maintain it at 2. But if the ratio they found out is too low, then you have to adjust the reading to a higher level. If you find the ratio is too high, then you have to reduce it to a low level. Means every time you do a try and error to determine what is the best reading you need to set in this coolant mixer. The working principle of this is open up this valve and the water coming in from this side. The pressure of the water will bring the coolant together according to the reading you set over here. At the other end over here, you will get the pre-mixed coolant that you required according to the ratio you set. If you're looking a way to save time, reduce waste and maintain a consistent concentration, this product is ideal tools for your workshop. Reliable, efficient and built for industrial use, this product is the best way to maintain your coolant concentration. Therefore, connecting lubrication with engineering. Follow us for more tips, deals and all things about lubrication. Thank you for watching.